Hi, this is Nina with Zymogen. I wanted to give you a little bit of information on our new red yeast rice extract product. It's pretty exciting because it's like nothing else out there. It's pretty different from really any of our other formulas that we've had in our line with red yeast rice. And that's because it is statin free. So it's monocolin K free. That's one of the metabolites of this red yeast rice, the Manassas purpureus. And that is the same as lovastatin. It's a statin. It has the same efficacy as prescribed statins and the same deleterious effect on muscle. So it's great that this new product is statin free. Of course, that begs the question, how does it work? The other metabolites, the yellow pigments, the monosin and the enkeflavin are metabolites that are also have the same effect. They lower LDL, but they actually impact HDL positively, where monocolin K and statins typically reduce HDL. So it is protective and anti-atherosclerotic because of its ability to boost HDL. So it's lowering LDL and not increasing creatine kinase. So we know that it's not impacting the muscle health. It's not impacting HMG, co-alpha reductase inhibition. And it's working as a PPAR gamma agonist, which helps with the regulation of the conversion of fatty acids to acetyl-CoA, as well as assisting in bringing fatty acids into the mitochondria for oxidation. So that's really the way it works. It's very different from a statin. And here's a little bit more information. What we see, this is an independent analysis looking at different red yeast rice products in the market, and all of them contain monocolin K. We've kind of always known that that's how these products work, but Sunway is our supplier. The Ankasin 568R is the patented material that they provide us with, and it's monocolin K free. All these other red yeast rices are basically, according to the FDA, they would be unapproved drugs and illegal to sell. So along those lines, what's pretty cool about this patented material, the Ankasin 568R, not only does it have 28 patents worldwide, but it has been given the honorary designation by the FDA as a new dietary ingredient. And it's the only eligible red yeast rice that in the US market that can legally apply claims, and that clearly states the specific compounds, active compounds on the label. As you saw, we have the 2 metabolites listed there. Any other red yeast rice on the market that's not going to list monocolin K. And it's also not going to say that it's monocolin K free. So here's just a couple of highlights. We know that the monosin lowers lipids, ameliorates oxidative distress. Again, it's a PPAR gamma agonist, and it makes insulin receptors more sensitive. The other metabolite, enkeflavin, lowers lipids, inhibits non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and it's anti-atherosclerotic. And so here's just a highlight of some of the randomized controlled trials in humans. And this is using the 110 milligram dose, which is 3 milligrams of monosin and 1.5 milligrams of enkeflavin. It's exactly what's in our formula. And as a monotherapy over 8 weeks, it reduced LDL-C by 20%. So looking at like on average 150 milligrams per deciliter to 120 milligrams per deciliter. Twice that dose has been shown to drop fasting blood sugar over 12 weeks, as well as over 8 weeks impact systolic and diastolic blood pressure. So I hope you give it a try. We currently have a special, free shipping and 5% off of the wholesale price. So please give me a call, get in touch with me if you have any questions, and thank you very much for considering this new product.